Okay, picking up here in part 2, we're going to demonstrate this actual firing of this, what is it, 6 shots? And it looks like it's 6 shots at a time, and we'll find out here in a minute. We'll see what kind of actual strength these are. I think we'll move this out of the way so we can get a little further there, and we'll put some targets here. The problem I can see right away is that this is not adjustable, so it just shoots straight ahead. And of course, for wargaming, that's going to be difficult. But it's got so much firepower here, that certainly would be a great thing to park in front of a castle and see it go to work here. So let's see exactly what happens here, and we'll put some stuff here. This is what appears to be the trigger right here, and I don't see how there's any, even though I guess this turns, so maybe it only shoots one thing at a time. Let's find out here. It rolls really nice. It's a very well made piece. It's nice. There could be a little more sophisticated detail, but it's pretty cool. So let's try this and see if it's just the top one here or if all of them shoot. Okay, so it's just the top one, and you can't adjust this. Then we'll go on to the next. I guess you can move it up manually like this, kind of bring it off to ground, see if we can hit this guy. Yep. Now, the actual force of this is pretty pathetic, but this is kind of like a 6-shooter. So you can see this as a 6-shooter, kind of like a revolver, where you would turn each cylinder to actually use. Let's see, this should hit this guy because he's up higher now, right there. And let's see if we just get some, without things right in the way. So that's how it operates. You shoot one at a time. You move the cylinder here, similar to a single-action revolver, where you would pull the trigger and the next one would move. And that's how it works. So it's a pretty cool little unit. I would assume that this is something that would work well in many different situations in terms of real warfare, serious wargaming, where you're actually using action pieces like this in the bigger picture, which, as I said, we'll be showing you in the future. But right now, you've got this cool multi-unit. And this does make it more interesting, particularly in a battle situation where you can get 6 shots, which can be done rapid fire, and you would be able to have a more combat situation. So let's see how that looks straight ahead. So that gives you a good idea here on part 2 of how this exactly works. This is 70224 Playmobil set in the Novelmore series. And lots more to come.